210S welding machine. This is a single phase welding machine. So I've already set up everything. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to weld the steel. I set the welding technique to sport mode. So hopefully you will learn something from this video. So right now I'm going to change the welding technique to continuous. Therefore you can weld freely with your hand. The welding machine is quite consistent, very stable, it's suitable for people on a go. You can use this machine to weld all types of welding steel. So for those individuals who would like to get a single phase welding machine, which you can use a wire feeder as well, you can choose the WIM 210 SEF.